HG-808 Installation Guide. Before installation, prepare the following items. HG-808. Gas sampling chamber. RS-485 converter. Power cable. Step 1. Insert the probe of the HG-808 into the gas sampling chamber. This end is the gas inlet. This end is the gas outlet. Step 2. Connect the wiring correctly. Red and black, power wire. Green and yellow, RS-485 connection. Others, analog output. 1. Connect the RS-485 converter. Once the connection is done. 2. Connect the power supply wires. Three. Plug the USB interface of the RS-485 converter into the computer. Wiring is complete. Open HG-602-808 Test Tools. Click the link below. Confirm. Read. In real time using the HG-808. Now you can monitor temperature and humidity. To exit, click the close button at the bottom, or click the top right corner to exit.